Hello guys, once again this is Jove and this is a tutorial number 3 in Latex, and I'm going to discuss how you can type mathematical notation using Latex basic commands. So in my previous video I discussed about the how we can prepare documents. It's a purely text document, which is I did some title page of a particular document, like this is dissertation. Now in this video I'm going to show you how we can use Latex in typing mathematical notation. So let's dive in with the Latex. So let's open the offline text maker. This is the offline editor, and let's open a new document. After opening a new document, as I said in my first video, we need to save our file and name it. So in my case, this is a tutorial 3. So I'm gonna name it tutorial 3 typing. All right, so let us save it. This is actually the first step. Whenever you use Latex, we need to save first before you type a command in the command prompt. So once again, this is the environment of the Latex program. We have the first window. This window is where we can type the command, and then this window is the PDF viewer. All right. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can type Superscript, Exponent, and Subscript. Once again, whenever we use the Latex, the first command that we enter is the \document, and then it will pop. There's an automatic option where Latex is giving us an option to auto finish the command. So I'm gonna click the first one. So this is the first command that we are going to use in Latex document class, and there are two arguments. The first argument is inside the bracket, and the second argument is inside the curly braces. Now the first argument inside the in the bracket is, this is where we once again type the size of the bond paper and then the size of the font. So I'm going to use A4 as the size of my bond paper, and then I'm going to use comma and then type 12 points or 12 point as the size of my font. The second argument is where we type the class of the classes of document. In this case, I'm going to use article as the class. All right. Now, since we're using mathematical expression, I'm going to use package. Some package I'm going to use package. So I'm going to choose the second option, use package, and then the package that I'm going to be using is the AMS math. Okay, so that is the first package available in Latex. The second package that I'm going to be using is the, again, use package. I'm going to choose the second one, then AMS symbol, AMS sim, all right, for mathematics symbol. And the last one is use package. I'm going to choose the second one, and I'm going to use graphics. The argument graphics is if you're going to insert any image inside your documents. Okay, so you need that package to be declared in the preamble. And now, under the content of environment content of the LaTeX, we need the command begin. Okay, begin document. So I'm gonna accept. So after accepting, it will be given another option, which is end. This is always in pair, begin and end. If there's a begin document, there should always be an end document. All right. So in here, I'm gonna start the exponent or superscript. We can use LaTeX to type superscript. For example, there are two modes of mathematical modes. One is the display mode and one is the inline math mode. Excuse me. All right, so for example, the x raised to the third power is also equal to x caret symbol third power. All right. So if I'm going to build this one, what will be the output? All right. Here it is. The output will be the x raised, whatever text you type will be displayed in the PDF viewer, and the x raised to 3 is in line with the text. That means this is an inline text mode. If you want to separate the mathematical expression from the sentence and you want it in the display mode, all you have to do is just add a dollar symbol to make it in math mode, because that is text mode, mathematics mode. I'm gonna build this one. Let's see. So that means that is in the, if you notice, it changes to somehow there are some changes in this style of the math expression. That means it's in the inline math mode. If I'm going to use display math mode, what I'm gonna do is just use $2 symbol. I'm sorry, yeah, $2 symbol. All right. And then close it again with another dollar symbol, and then let us build. Okay, so if you notice, the expression is separated from the inline text or the text. It's now in the display math mode. All right, so I'm gonna use the display math mode in order to display other mathematical expression. For example, another exponent, I'm gonna use double symbol. For example, I want to raise a y expression is equal to ax caret 2 plus c. I'm gonna close it in the double symbol, and then dollar, for example, I use is equal to ax caret symbol 2 plus bx plus c. I'm gonna close. Let's build. Quick build. All right. So this is the display mode. So if you notice, I'm using caret symbol to display exponent or the superscript. For example, another common equation is E is equal to M multiplied by C squared. I'm going to close in dollar. And then another is, for example, I have dollar. I want 2 raised to x. I want this to be the exponent of 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to, I want this exponent 2x minus 5. All right, I'm going to close. Let's see. All right, so the first one is E is equal to mc squared. The second one, which I want x plus 1 to be the exponent and 2x minus 5 to be the exponent, it's not actually giving the correct exponent, because I want x plus 1 to be the exponent of 2 and 2x minus 5 to be the exponent of 5. So if I want that one to be the exponent of 2 and 3, if you notice, only one becomes the normal term, as well as the minus 5. X minus 5 becomes the normal term. If I want both to be exponent, I have to close it in the curly bracket, curly braces, sorry. And also this one. If you want this whole expression to be the exponent, you should put it inside the curly braces. All right. Here it is. So x plus 1 becomes the exponent of 2, and 2x minus 5 becomes the exponent of 3. So we need to use the curly braces in order to group the exponent. All right. Let's go with subscript now. Subscript. In subscript, in superscript, we use caret symbol to raise the power. Now in subscript, we use the underscore. For example, but I'm also using double dollar. For example, x sub 1 is underscore 1. Okay. Let's see the output. Yes. Okay, another example is, I'm gonna hit the dollar. For example, y, capital Y underscore. Again, underscores is used as to indicate subscript 1, 2. Okay, so if you notice 2 becomes a normal number. It doesn't appear as subscript, because we need to put 1, 2 inside the curly braces to make it both as a subscript. All right, so we need to use the curly braces. Another example is, for example, m dollar m underscore ij. I want ij to be the subscript, so I need to put it inside the curly braces, and then I'm going to close it, then build. All right. So another example is, for example, again, dollar w underscore 1, comma, w underscore 2, comma, w underscore 3, And then I'm going to use backslash L dots. L dot means line, in line with the dots. Dot, 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 dot. And then W underscore N. And then close it with double symbol. Let's see the output. All right. So this dot, dot, dot is the command backslash L dots. That is in line with the dot series of dots. All right. For example, I want to get the total resistance of a resistor. In electrical engineering, this is very common. R underscore T is equals to R underscore 1 plus R underscore 2 plus R underscore 3 and then plus backslash L dots and plus R underscore N. Then close it with double dollar. All right, so that's it. So that's how we use the subscript. Now there are some Greek letters also, Greek symbols that is very useful in mathematics. Like for instance, I'm going to use pi. For example, to declare pi, we need backslash pi, and then double dollar symbol. Let's see. The Greek symbol for pi is this one, small pi. If you want to make it bigger, just put capital Pi and then dollar. Let's build. Here it is, all right? And then another symbol in math is alpha. All right, and then close it in. And then another symbol is beta. Okay, I'm gonna close it. And then another symbol is gamma, dollar. Okay, another symbol is omega. Okay, dollar. Another symbol is theta. So if you notice, by default, it has an option, automatic option, because I declare it's in the user package AMSS symbol. All right, and then the last one is sigma. Okay, so let's see the Greek symbols. All right, so the last is the sigma. So this is the output. This is the output of the tutorial. Okay, this is saved actually as a PDF file in the folder tutorial 3. Let's see. So if I'm going to close this one, and let's see, it's in the drive D. Latex tutorial. So if you notice, you need to make a separate folder, because once you save in LaTeX, it saves 4 types of files. First doc aux, first doc the PDF, and then the zip files. Okay, so for me, I use this one, the typing. This is the file name I use. Let's open in PDF. Open. Yeah. So this is the PDF file. This is the output of our work. This is in PDF. You can ready to print this output. All right. So that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video tutorial 3. I hope you will learn something and you will continue to watch my next video in LaTeX. This is going to be a series of tutorial until we learn a lot from LaTeX. Okay, once again, thank you. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and support my channel, JOV'S Online TV. Thank you so much and see you on my next video.